Good morning, guys. Get ready with me for breakfast. Let's turn on the lights. Whoa. Got my slippers on. Let's go to the bathroom. Whoa. Oh my God, look. I got her again. Look. Ooh. Let's rinse my face. I'm all done, so now I'm gonna help my mom make breakfast. But I got to change. Love my new phone case. Let's go. Lay. Garlic pepper. Rub, rub, rub. Whoa. It's so gooey. Guys, remember this in my YouTube channel? When I was little, 5, I'll be showing you the video. Actually, the photo. Love you, Mom. Love you. Follow Mongolia Victoria. Love you guys.